everyone, my name is Muhammad Martes Hatta. You can call me Hatta. Today I'd like to share a video about architecture Kubernetes. In this session I will talk about the main component of Kubernetes. Yeah, we can to next slide. Yeah, as we know, Kubernetes has several key components such as the Kubernetes API, a server control manager, schedule. Yeah, you can see from my slide. These components are divided into two main parts. Some run on the control plane. Yeah, this component, they are etcd running within the control plane. You can say work not master, you can say not master, and other run on the worker node. Yeah, this is a Kubernetes container runtime. If you have more node, not one, you have not master and not worker. This kubelet and container runtime will be run in not worker, but for this one till for kubelet till container runtime, it can be run in control plane, but the combination uh, uh, this kubelet till container runtime running in worker node. I think this Kubernetes container runtime can run both, not can running under control plane and running under worker node. Yeah, first one, I want to talk about the Kubernetes API server. Yeah, this is Kube-API server. This component plays an important role in managing communication between all Kubernetes components. It also handles authentication and authorization. For example, when you send a request, yeah, when you send a request to Kube-API server, maybe I will to move to next slide. Yeah, I will to explain for this slide. Yeah, when you type kubectl, for example, type kubectl get port, and if you have kubeconfig as credential, the process will be next to read etcd. This etcd this etcd store your stats, your deployment port, anything about manifest, involve manifest. This etcd as storage. If after read to next process, the response will be uh, we will see the response. Yeah, if you have port, you can see the list port on your terminal. And I think one of the function kube-apiserver to handle authentication if you want to access the kubectl. And after that, maybe I will to explain about the credential, the kubeconfig. Yeah, I have two kube-config for on-prem and for EKS, I think. Yeah, on kube-config on-prem you have certificate authority and client certificate and client key, but if you move to next slide, uh, the kube-config not perfect like on-prem. Yeah, this is not have uh, client certificate data and client key data. You can see because the AWS have argument, yeah, like this. The argument refer this comment. Yeah, if you want to access this argument will be used for your credential, for your authentication. Yeah, but before the next slide I want to explain about the this certificate and client certificate and client key. Yeah, client key and certificate, yeah, we can say like KTP or ID card. Yeah, in Indonesia we have KTP to as identity. Yeah, if you want uh, to make I think the document uh, involve the government, you have to have get ID card. Yeah, cranky like your assign on cut on ID card. This is as KTP or ID card. This ID card, I think assigned from certificate authority who is preferred KTP. I think it's government. Yeah, this is uh, the the ID card provided by government. I think to be clear, I will to move to next slide. Yeah, you can see from my slide. Yeah, like this can key data, client certificate data, and certificate authority data. Yeah, the conclusion, the Kube-API server have several functions. Yeah, like to communication between component and to manage authentication. I think if you want to more detail, you can see to site official in kubernetes.com. I think. Yeah, I think for today is enough for me. I hope this very clear for you. If you have any question, feel free to reach out me, or you can send a message with the comment. Thank you.